Are health drinks really safe for your fertility? Hi, I'm Dr. Suarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Let's talk about something very important today because most people start their day with a health drink, protein shakes, vitamin boosters, energy drinks or herbal tonics. But many couples that are trying for fertility ask us, are these drinks actually safe for fertility? So let's address these so-called health drinks and how they impact your reproductive health. So what are these health drinks? These are beverages marketed as being good for you because they promise better energy, glowing skin, weight control or improved performance. They can range from protein shakes and meal replacements to health drinks, flavored waters or even fortified beverages. But not all that's labeled healthy is truly healthy, especially when it comes to your hormones and fertility. So what to watch out for? Let's decode the common types and how they affect fertility to begin with. Protein shakes. Some are beneficial when made from natural whey or plant-based protein, but commercial powders can contain artificial sweeteners, preservatives, or even hormones that may disrupt the endocrine system. So for women with PCOS, excess protein or additives can worsen insulin resistance. Let's look at energy drinks now. Those often contain high caffeine, taurine, and sugar, which can increase cortisol, which is a stress hormone. The levels are increased and they affect ovulation in women. In men, excessive caffeine and artificial stimulants may lower sperm quality over a period of time. Vitamins and herbal tonics also something we need to address. While some herbal ingredients like ashwagandha or ginseng can support wellness, not all are safe during pregnancy or fertility treatment. Some may interfere with medications or cause hormonal fluctuations. Always consult your doctor before taking herbal or Ayurvedic fertility drinks along with your allopathy medications. Flavored or fortified milks. Many health milks for adults or children are loaded with sugar, malt or stabilizers. These add calories but are not real nutrition. Simple plain milk or a homemade nut milk with no added sugar is the best choice. Let's talk about collagen, matcha or detox drinks. These may seem harmless, but the body's detox organs, which are liver and kidneys, are naturally efficient. No drink can replace a balanced diet, hydration and rest. There are some fertility friendly alternatives. If you truly want to support your reproductive health, choose natural and nutrient rich drinks like homemade smoothies. Blend spinach, banana, nuts, milk. All these are rich in folate, calcium and antioxidants. Have some coconut water, which is a natural electrolyte and hormone balancer. Fresh fruit and vegetable juices are also good because they provide vitamins and antioxidants without additives. Warm water with lemon and moringa is also very good because it supports digestion and metabolism very gently. Milk with turmeric or dates offers natural calcium and iron, which is ideal for women planning pregnancies. These options nourish your cells without artificial chemicals or hormonal disruption. Remember, no bottled drink can replace real food. Your fertility thrives on a balanced diet, which is proteins, good fats, whole grains and greens, not quick fixes or fancy packages. So yes, some health drinks are safe if you read the label very carefully and avoid excess sugar, caffeine and chemicals. When in doubt, go natural. Your body, your hormones and your fertility will always respond best to real nutrition. If you wish to understand more, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.